Are any of your products required to have GST calculated based on RSP or MRP? Hello. Attention tobacco dealers. Big GST update. If you deal in notified tobacco goods, then as per the GST notification, from 1st February 2026, RSP-based valuation will apply to these products. What does this mean? GST will no longer be calculated on the sale price. Instead, it will be calculated on the retail sale price, MRP. And not just that, the GST amount reported in e-way bill, e-invoice, and GST returns will also be based on MRP calculation. Now you might be wondering, the sale will happen at a different value, so how do we calculate GST on MRP, inclusive? Don't worry. Busy already provides a simple and practical solution. Let's see how. First, go to the Administration menu, Configuration, Features and Options, and open the GST VAT tab. Here you will find the option Show Sale Purchase Amount as a taxable amount in GST reports. Enable this option and save. Next, go to Masters and open Item Master. Add or modify the item. Select tax category GST 40%, specify the MRP, and save. Now move to sale type. If you use item-wise GST calculation in Busy, open the item-wise sale type, enable Calculate Tax on MRP, set Tax on MRP mode, inclusive, and save. If you charge GST through Bill Sundry, you will need to create a GST Bill Sundry. Open the existing GST Bill Sundry in Modify mode, copy the configuration using F12. Rename it as required, select Total MRP of items, choose Inclusive mode, and save. Now let's record a transaction. Open the sales voucher, select the sale type, and enter party and item details. If needed, you can press Alt+M to modify the item and update the MRP directly. Select the GST Bill Sundry and you will see that GST is calculated on MRP instead of the sale price. Save the voucher and generate the invoice. The taxable amount will be as per the invoice, but the GST amount will be based on MRP. The same calculation will reflect in the e-way bill. Now create another invoice using item-wise sale type. Enter party and item details, and GST will automatically calculate on MRP. Finally, go to Display, GST Reports, GSTR1. You will clearly see that the taxable amount is as per the invoice, while GST is calculated based on MRP, fully compliant with the law. This is how you can easily manage RSP-based GST valuation in Busy. Stay with Busy, always 100% GST compliant. For purchase, updates, or any assistance, call the 24/7 support number provided. For more useful Busy tips, subscribe to the channel.